Hello, welcome back to Bureaucrat. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing. This is actually quite heavy and rather early. So last month was late, this month is early. You know, I'm okay with it, and it is the birthday edit. Maybe they have some special goodies in here, I don't know. Like, I wasn't spoiled, thank God. So yeah, we're just gonna open it up and we'll see. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah. So we're just gonna open it up. Another year older and more fantastic than ever. So we have the leaflet or booklet, whatever you want to call it. And we have the UKL. Oh, that's actually what's so heavy. See, thinking it will be a lot of goodies in, it's just the UKL that's heavy. It is, I don't know what it is. Slick Woods? Is that her? She's the one who went to Rihanna's like lingerie catwalk thing, and then after that she gave birth. As you can see, she's pregnant. So yeah, I mean, I know September is the fashion month and you know, New York Fashion Week and everything. So this is the heavy thing that was in the box. First off, we have a card that says Christmas has come early. Oh, for the advent calendar. Okay, so if you want to hold on, just zoom in. If you want to use the code for the advent calendar, here it is. You get 20% off. There you go. There's a lot of like this lametta thing, which I will put up into a tree, and these are the parts. You don't really see that. So we're just gonna get started. We have this, yeah, this already. I already know that I will not use. It's attached to everything. Oh, come on, it's attached to me. Okay, it's the Evelyn cleanser that I already had before, and I did not like it, so I'll put this into my giveaway, which is still going. So yes, if you want to enter Evelyn, there you go. So it's the cleanser and the muslin cloth. These two. Regenerate your skin like never before with Evelyn's multi-award-winning multi-purpose skin cleanser. Suitable for all skin types, this exfoliating cleanser decongests, softens, and even removes stubborn waterproof makeup from your skin. So you get the cleanser that I will not open, and you get the muslin cloth that I will just put like this into the giveaway. Okay, then what? Oh, what? Wait, what? Candy? We got candy in here. Are you serious? Hold on. Swizzle's giant Palmer violets, delicately perfumed violet sweets. It's suitable for vegetarians. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. Hold on. I have to. Oh my. Okay, I can't. Okay, there you go. Oh my God, they're so good. I used to get these, like the candy with like the violet scent to it when I was a kid, and now one just fell to the floor and broke. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me just eat that. And it's so good. Oh my God. Okay, so while eating this, I found this in the box. This is the Lord and Berry strobing pencil in 1153. I don't know. Add a subtle glow to your skin with this pink highlighting pencil by Lord and Berry. This is perfect to create a radiant glow in specific areas of your face thanks to the precision tip. It's so multifunctional, you can use it on your cheekbones, brow bones, on your cupid's bow, or whatever you fancy. Let me see. Okay. I'm having it. I'm really having it. Hold on. It broke off, but it's not that bad. It's actually really nice. I'm feeling this. I like it. Like, guys, I really love you, but really... Oh, get off of there. Get off. Get... Jesus. Philip Kingsley, elastic... Oh my God, I cannot pronounce this. I'm sorry. This thing. Intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. For shampooing wet hair and apply in sections. Work into your hair with fingertips. Oh, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. De-elasticizing. Factor of this shampoo treatment: smooth each strand to incredible silkiness, improves the suppleness of your hair, stretchability, strength, and shine whilst leaving it softer, less brittle, beautifully manageable, and lustrous. Could you even put more difficult words into this one sentence? Unbelievable. Just smell it. Doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like normal cream. So I will try that out. Then we have this Omorovica. Yes. Oh my God, I love it. Mud mask. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the packaging. Look how beautiful it is. A glass jar, obviously, because, you know, they know their stuff. They know how to pack things. Detox, cleanse, and revive your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize, and define the contours of your face. Using a range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mask expertly hydrates and protects your skin as it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexion. So I will definitely do a video on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this smells amazing. It smells really good. It smells a bit like tea tree oil. But I like it. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Oh my god, I will do a separate video on this. It doesn't say how to use it on the package, so I have to keep the oh no, just apply to your face and neck, avoid the eye area. It's like every other mod mask. So I'm very excited for this. Oh my god. 2 more things left that I just get out of here before they actually. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so what is this? Bath and shower gel by Aromatherapy? Revive Morning. Looks very fancy. Let's be real. So you can either get the lavender peppermint or the resist morning bath and shower oil. I have the revive morning, obviously. Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you'll have either received the lavender and peppermint or revive morning bath and shower oil. Both allow you to indulge in a moment of peace and experience the invigorating powers of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. We'll see. Okay, that smells a little like patchouli. Add 2 cupfuls to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. Okay, I cannot wait to try this. Okay. You wash this off with another shower gel, right? You don't leave this on and then wash yourself with this? Oh, you're supposed to inhale this and then just... Okay, got it. Now last but not least, I'm very excited for this. I've heard a lot about this. This is the Mane and Tail Hoof Maker Hand and Nail Therapy. I've heard a lot about this brand. Beautiful nails and soft hands. Oh, okay. Okay. I heard that the shampoo and conditioner is very good from this brand, so we'll see if the hand cream and finger cream is good too. We'll see. This fast-absorbing and non-greasy cream targets cracked, dry skin not only on your hands but on your feet and body. Ooh, I can use that for my feet. Yes. When applied to hands, it strengthens and protects nails to leave them strong and healthy. Expect smooth, comfortable, and rejuvenated skin all over straight after application. You know what? We're gonna try that now. Oh, that looks like such a thick paste. Oh my god. That is a thick paste. I even go over my fingernails just to prove a point here. Oh, that smells good. Kind of smells like a fancy hair salon. You know, like the fancy shampoo they get. Oh my god, it smells. Let my dog smell it. Okay, he wants to lick it off. Okay, yeah, I think it works. Oh, it's almost soaking in already. Like, and it's not even. I don't know if you probably can't tell, but it's not even sticky. At least not a lot. Okay, I'm totally feeling this. I need to try that on my feet, on my hands. It actually feels nice. I have glitter everywhere from that glitter thing, but it feels nice. That's cool. That's amazing. Okay. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box. So far, I'm really impressed. Like apart from the Eve Lom stuff, but yeah, it's gonna be a very like calming and luxurious bath month for me, basically. So I read all of this to you. LookFantastic gift guide, or for birthdays and stuff. Okay, stuff you can get for your man or your woman. Let them eat cake. Oh, ooh, like a cake recipe. Oh, gluten-free lemon drizzle cake. Oh, yes, I'm having that. Make your own cocktail. Make your own mocktail. Yeah, by the way, this is what the page looks like. It's just one picture of a birthday cake and then just the ingredients. So far, it's actually nice. Make your own mocktail. Like I said, blueberries, acai berries, ginger beer, vanilla syrup, mint, basil, and lemonade. Then you get this. The LookFantastic Beauty Dictionary of what different things mean. So basically, contour, what that means, or keratin, what that does and what it is. Anti-aging, bacon, what that means, you know, it's just like from A to Z dictionary. Crisp Commonly, again, like the code that you can use. And then that's it. And the last page is next month's box, Hidden Gems, with the Ahava mineral body lotion. Speaking of the code for the LookFantastic calendar, I also have a code for the LookFantastic box, so in case you want this, I don't think you can get this box, because it's the September box, so you probably get the October one, but if you want that and you want like a few pounds off, I will leave my link down below. It's a referral code, and I will get a little commission for this. It's not a lot, it's just store currency that I can use on LookFantastic itself, you know what I mean? So, that really feels good. It smells good too. I'm impressed with that, and the candy. I love the candy. Oh my god. Oh, I'm in love. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, which I will link in the end card. You will see that. I wish you a nice day. Bye.